Hey guys, Chris Razor here again over at Xtreme Polishing Systems. As always, before I start, make sure you like and subscribe to our videos. We're constantly putting these out and you want to make sure you're ahead of them. Today I'm going to be going over our newest addition to the Xtreme Polishing Systems family. It's called our Wallaby. It is a single phase, 220 volt, variable speed grinder that can actually come apart in two pieces, which is nice if you need to throw it in a SUV, carry it down a flight of steps or up a flight of steps. It does come apart in two pieces. I'm going to walk you around, show you the machine. First of all, it's a 5 horsepower Siemens motor. It's all gear driven, so it is a Planetary 3-head 9-diamond grinder. You can see we have 2 LED lights here, so in basements or those hard to reach areas you're going to be able to see what you're working on and doing. Right above that is the water tank, so you'll be able to fill up the water, use this grinder wet or dry. The vacuum port, if you're going to run it dry, is back here. It's got our cam lock system. Just plug your cam lock right in there, stays right out of the way in the center of the grinder. If you are going to run water, the water valve is right here, so we'll just simply turn it to the amount of flow you want coming out. Hookup is right here. It's got our little pigtail holder that'll keep it away from the grinder. Again, 220 single phase. For the handles here in the back, you can adjust what is most comfortable for you. For me, it's right about here. I like running it here. You'll notice in the back there's the LED switch to turn the lights on in the front. There's a USB port, so if you want to charge your phone, you can there. There's your forward and reverse, so you can run it clockwise or counterclockwise. Our speed control, the grinder will go up to 1800 RPMs, so you can adjust that here. If you need to in an emergency, you can hit the emergency stop button and the unit will shut down immediately. I'm going to lean the unit back so you can see how the heads are. It's got our MorphFlex coupler system on the back, or on the bottom underneath the plates. So these are our MorphFlex couplers. These are our 502 couplers. And then of course it's got our patented magnetic plate system that gives you the ability to run 3-inch round or trap diamonds. And they simply will just lock right on here. You turn them and the plate's on. You also get a set of full face Velcro, which is nice if you want to put a burnishing pad on the bottom or a maintenance cleaning pad. You certainly can there. This will slide right on there and lock in place. Fairly similar to this setup with the burnishing pad. All right guys, I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to take apart. So come around back here and you're going to see there's 3 things that we're going to need to take apart. One is the electrical supply to the unit. There's 2 little clips here on either side, so we'll put those up and take this electrical valve apart. Then there's a vacuum hose. We'll just separate that from the unit. And then there's a water valve connection. That's a locking system. We'll just take that apart here. Now we can come back around front. One thing we do want to do is make sure we lift the handle forward, so I have something to grab to. Then we're going to take these 2 pins out on either side. And then Santi, if you could come here and help me and take this apart. You can see how easy that is to come apart. And then 2 guys can actually take this. There's handles on all 4 sides, and we can actually both pick it up and easily move it around to wherever we're going. And then just simply put it back together the same way we took it apart. So we'll put this back in here first. Got to finagle it a little bit to get it to where it's got to go. So he's got his in. There it is, right there, guys. And simply just hook all our components in the back up, our electrical supply. Just put this right back in there. Vacuum hose and our water valve. get our handle back, and we can transport it back around. So, if you guys have any additional questions or would like to speak with a representative, give us a call at the number below. We look forward to talking with you soon.